Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. Now we have to solve question number 4, exercise 10.1. Question is given that prove that the tangent drawn at the end point of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Solve. First we draw a ray diagram about given information. From the given information, first we suppose this is a circle with center O and this is the diameter PQ, center O. Let me suppose first tangent is AB at point P and second is C and D. Let COR is a circle with center O and radius R. Clear? And two tangents AB and CD are drawn at the end point of diameter PQ. AB is the first tangent and CD is the second tangent, which is drawn at the end point of PQ diameter. Find. We have to find. AB will be parallel to the CD. Clear? Proof. In figure, AP is the tangent and OP is the radius. So angle AOPA is equal to 90 degree. Since angle between radius and tangent, so angle OPB is equal to 90 degree. Since BP is a tangent and OP is the radius. Similarly, angle QO equal to angle DQO is equal to 90 degree. Angle between radius and tangents. Clear? So we can say that angle OPA is equal to the angle OQD from equation first and third. First and third. Clear? Equal to 90 degree. And angle BPO is equal to angle CQO is equal to 90 degree, but these are alternate interior angle. When two angles are equal, then line will be parallel. So line AB will be parallel to the CD. Hence proved. Clear? Now we will solve question number 5. Question number 5 is given that prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to a tangent to a circle passes through the center of the circle. Clear? So we have to first draw a diagram with the given information. First we draw a circle. With center O. Let me suppose this will be perpendicular at this point. A, B, P, O. Let me suppose COR is a circle with center O and AB is the tangent at point P. Given COR is a circle with center O and radius R. AB is the tangent at P and OP perpendicular to AB. Find. We have to find tangent to a circle passes through the center. We have to prove OP passes through the center. through the center. Clear? Now proof. Construction. B. Suppose OP is not pass through the center, then another line, then another line O dash P, O dash P pass through center. Proof. OP is perpendicular to AB given. So angle APB equal to angle BPO, APO is equal to BPO equal to 90 degree. Angles between radius and tangent. This is equation number first. Again, OP is perpendicular, O dash P is the perpendicular of AB by construction. So angle APO dash is equal to angle BPO dash equal to 90 degree. Angles by construction. Clear? This is equation number second. From equation first and equation second, we get angle APO is equal to angle APO dash equal to 90 degree. This condition only possible when O and O dash overlaps. So our assumptions are wrong. Our assumptions is wrong, and OP is passes through the center. through the center point O. Clear? Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.